Good evening, folks. Good evening. I got to get some Rolling Stones off my chest. We're going to start with Jumpin' Jack Flash. That's me. Watch it. 1, 2. I was born in a cross by hurricane, and I howled at mama in the driving rain. But it's alright now, and back it's again. Well, it's alright. I'm jumping Jack Flash, it's a guess, guess, guess. I was raised by a toothless, bearded head. I was schooled with a strap right across my back. But it's alright now. In fact, it's a guess. Well, it's alright. I'm jumping Jack Flash. It's a guess, guess, guess. I was dragged